pictures are more powerful than 1,000 words.
Once you've seen an image of something, you cannot unsee it.
Every entrepreneur in India has to try this.
Many times we keep asking, what's the big idea? What's the big difference? Many times the differences are very small. Your conviction has to be far, far bigger than the difference you are trying to make. And in the end it proves, in the end it will be the biggest difference that you would have made for humanity.
This is a hallmark of some of the most successful companies in the world, where you will see that they actually live their purpose. And it's only when they live their purpose that their employees don't need to be told what to do. They automatically know.
There were two incredibly talented visualizers who were able to capture the essence of what was going on during the workshop.
When the conference started, we started noting down whatever they used to say, and we decided to illustrate them. As an artist, this was really a nice opportunity for me to explore my own limitations and everything.
What you have created and conceptualized, if you put an image to it, you will realize how it comes alive.
When we looked at the people, these transformers, right, we realized that they were here not just to create best practices, but to create next practices. Because they wanted to create the future, they wanted to transform people's lives and make it better, right? These are not people who are here just to make things. They are not willing to settle for good enough. They want to become a future creator.
The kind of energy that I saw amongst the participants was absolutely amazing.
Lots of brainstorming sessions happened.
The purpose and positioning work that they had done has to now come out and flower. And I could see that energy in their eyes when they were told that now they have to come up with an idea for their own products.
It's incredibly valuable to listen with an open mind to what your customers or your audience is actually saying. Sometimes they will share a nugget with you, which you can actually become the springboard.
Usually most programs happen in a very corporate setting, and once you land in Isha, you come with a certain rigidity that you're here to gain knowledge and then go out.
Session was really good, learned something very nice.
The yoga session was just so beautiful, I can't explain it in words.
This entire brand insight session was structured so well.
It has kind of lifted the block off, and now I'm able to see something.
Coming here, I always thought that a B2B business does not need a lot of branding, especially in my sector. But now I've understood that the branding is actually an important lever to use to scale up my business. A very important myth that I had about branding, that you need a lot of money, is actually busted here again.
Purpose is what you own, it's your soul. So positioning exists in people's mind, it is in consumers' head. Okay? But you can still shape that narrative. And the difference between purpose and positioning is that purpose is also a lot more enduring.
Believe me, somebody who knows nothing of brand should just come here, sit here, take these learnings, and I think he will be a pro at understanding what he should do with his own brand. It's an ABC of branding.